If you're looking to confidently and securely redact sensitive information from your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove text, images, and hidden data from your PDFs, so you can safely share documents without worrying about exposing private details. Let's get started and walk through the whole process step by step. First things first, we need to open up the Redact tool. With your PDF open in Acrobat, head up to the toolbar at the top and click on Tools. Here, you'll find a whole bunch of features, but we're looking specifically for Redact. Give that a click. This tool is designed specifically for safely removing sensitive content, and it's right at the core of Acrobat's security features. Now, once you're in the Redact workspace, you'll need to decide what kind of redaction fits your needs. If you want to manually choose every piece of text or image you want to hide, select Redact Text and Images. This gives you full control, almost like taking a thick black marker to physical paper, except the digital version actually erases the data underneath. If you're dealing with a document packed with recurring sensitive terms, such as client names, phone numbers, or credit card information, try out Find Text and Redact. This option lets you search for specific words, phrases, or even patterns throughout the entire PDF. Acrobat will help you find every occurrence, so you don't have to worry about missing anything hidden in a long document. When using manual redaction, you'll see a crosshair tool. Use this to draw precise rectangles over the text or images you want to remove. Take your time here. Accuracy matters. If you're redacting a name, for instance, make sure the entire word is covered, not just part of it. If you're hunting for patterns automatically, enter the text or pattern into the search box, and Acrobat will sweep the whole document, marking every match for you. This is especially handy for larger files or compliance work, where missing a detail isn't an option. Don't worry if you need to redo a selection. You can always clear marks before applying them. Once you've marked all the areas for redaction, it's time to make it permanent by clicking the Apply button. This is the big moment, and Acrobat will bring up a warning. Pause and double-check your marks before confirming, because this step erases information permanently. It's a bit like shredding the sensitive parts of your paperwork. Once it's gone, it's truly gone. But we're not quite finished yet. Acrobat will prompt you with a dialog box to sanitize the document. Sanitizing goes beyond just redacting visible text. It removes hidden information like metadata or revision histories that might still lurk behind the scenes. Make sure the toggle for Remove Hidden Information is switched on before you click OK. This extra step is crucial for total security, especially if you're sharing the document publicly or with external partners. Finally, save your newly redacted file. Give it a clear name like Your File Redacted.pdf. So there's no confusion between your original and the safe-to-share version. It's best to keep your untouched source file separate for backup, just in case you need it later. And that's it. You've now fully redacted and secured your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into something unexpected, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.